Let's introduce the main parameters and application scenarios of 800G OSFP FR4. The 800G OSFP FR4 module adopts OSFP packaging and supports a maximum data rate of 850 gigabits per second. Ethernet signals are transmitted through 4 wavelengths: 1271 nanometers, 1291, 1311 nm, and 3031 numbers. It enables the fiber link of 2 km over single-mode fiber with dual LC duplex connectors. Now let's explore 2 practical application scenarios. The 800G OSFP FR4 module employs 800G PAM4 modulation technology, suitable for connecting to 800G switches with OSFP ports. By using 2 LC duplex OS2 patch cable, you can easily interconnect 2 800G OSFP FR4 modules for switch-to-switch communication. Of course, you can also connect to the 400G switch. You can use 2 LC duplex OS2 cables to connect an 800G OSFP FR4 module and 2 400G QSFPTEK FR4 modules to achieve conversion from high speed to low speed.